Morning to everyone. My name is Chethan. I am studying 7th IIT in Ratnam English Medium High School. Today I am participating in Ratnam English 1 seminar level 1 topic pollution. And let's talk about pollution. Pollution has emerged a grave concern in today's world, affecting the humans and environment. It is the introduction of harmful gases and contaminants into the environment, including air, water, soil. We are damaging air, water, soil, and we damages ourselves, the earth. Mainly, there are four types of pollutions: air pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution, and water pollution. Let's talk about first air pollution. Air pollution is one of the causes of lung diseases, and the Delhi is the one of the most polluted state in India. And when we breathe the polluted air, so it causes some lung diseases. And second one, soil pollution. Soil pollution, when we throw plastic waste on the ground and it decomposes after thousands of years later, it causes so much soil pollution and land pollution. Next, third one, noise pollution. The car horns and industrial activities make more sounds, and the factorizing of DJs and any other bands in festivals and marriages. It causes of loss of hearing and we became a deaf person. And fourth one, water pollution. Industrial activities throws wastes in seas and rivers. After it kills the aquatic animals and other dirty the water. Next we talk about pollution activities. First, industrial activities. Rapid industrialization and urbanization have resulted the release of harmful toxic gases and chemicals into the water and air. Next, transportation. Transportation, the extensive use of fossil fuels and makes significantly content of pollution. The releasing of harmful emissions like carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxide and other particulate matters. Next, third one, deforestation. Cutting the trees for our purposes or various purposes, leading a soil erosion and loss of biodiversity and loss of biodiversity and causes ecologically and ecosystem. Next, fourth one, agriculture practices. Agriculture practices takes that using of more fertilizers and pesticides makes the land makes not more fertile, and the earthworms will run off, and the water under the ground will run off, and other minerals. And let's talk about acid rain. Acid rain, it begins with the compounds like sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide releases into the air and causes acid rain. The sulfur oxide and these compounds like nitrogen oxide releases from industrial activities like making iron and other aluminium products. And the effects of pollutions. The effects of pollutions takes lot of pollution of human. It is a fact of pollution that rising continuously, and it is impossible to take that how much pollution is affecting the humans, and it is the cause of pollution, and the loss of water by making the industrial development and water dumping into the seas and rivers. It causes a shortage of water for us, and we don't know how much threat that pollution given for humans. And let's talk about solutions. Use recycle and biodiversity eco-friendly products, and use less petrol cars and use only electric and CNG cars, and by in a little distance you can go walk or bicycle through. And when you are going to out, switch off the lights due to the electricity comes from coal mines that produces many harmful gases. And make sure to use only solar powers, and don't burn garbages, and please plant trees and save trees. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.